Alright guys, so this is it. It's a little dirty, but this is the 2013 Suzuki GSXR 1000 million edition, and I upgraded a little bit of things on it. As you can see, we'll start with the seats. I did the seats, took off the covers, ordered some diamond stitch fabric from Amazon, and came out pretty good. There's a little wrinkles here and there, but it's okay with me, you know, not too bad. I like the way it looks. It's pretty nice. Next thing I did was I changed the stock exhaust for the Yoshi Alpha. You can see that right there. It's a really nice pipe. A little long, but that's okay. Maybe later I'll end up cutting it. But the main deal is to cut a piece out of here and take out the block, because this is the catalytic converter down there. But again, like all my other videos, I need somebody to weld it back up. Let's see, I changed the heel plates on it. Got a little GSXR heel plate in blue. It's a nice little touch. Changed the stickers to red, because I don't really like that orange GSXR. So I changed the red look to it, you know, just to accent that red. You see the Brembo brake, Brembo calipers down there. Story about this: it took me a long time to get this. Finally got this, the Vortex right lever. Thing was that this master cylinder is for an R1, a 2004 to 2006 R1. So the stock was changed, and I couldn't find the right brake lever because the stock brake levers wouldn't fit. So I had to figure out which one it was from. And with the other brake lever, they had numbers on the back of it. So the stock brake lever had those numbers, and I just looked it up, and it said it was for that year Yamaha. So I ordered it, took a chance, and it came out that it was right. So I got the standard. I didn't get the shorties. I wanted to try the standard, and I like them. They're nice, clean look. And come around here, I did this with the vinyl cutter. Little wrinkles, but I think they came out alright. Got the carbon fiber vinyl with the S cut out of it for Suzuki on the same side also, as you can see. Let me put it on. Put the hazards on. See, check that out. Yeah, boy. So I got them. I think it looks cool. Too bad I put in the LEDs for the pilot lights. I think I'm gonna get an LED for the headlight. But these pilot lights are pretty cool. Turn this off. Then of course I had to customize the top velocity C, top.velocity.c for my Instagram page. But all in all, I like it. I think it's dope. Heel plate on the other side. Got the spools to match the color. GSXR spools. I think I'm gonna change these out to black. You know, just make it all black. And you know, I had to get the pad right there, the tank pad. And another thing which I love, and I do to all my bikes, this cap by Motoparts. Nice. It's real nice and easy. They usually carry the colors. And there it is, folks. Oh, I added these because it doesn't come with the stickers. So I added those. Anyway, that's it. Gotta clean her up. Need to name her. I don't know what to name her. Hope you could see. Walk around a little bit. I like this red accent right here. I might get the darker windscreen, or I might get a color one. We'll see. That may be in the future sometime. But this is how it's looking right now. I just gotta clean her up a little bit. But I was so amped to get that brake lever on and then finally do the walk around. You know? I think it's good. For now, it's good. I can start showing her off. Let me start her up. It's not going to be a cold start, but take this off too. Take those hazards off. Put her in neutral. Not bad. Not bad for the Yoshi Alpha. I like it. That is it. Million edition right there, 1985. Since 1985.